My car had a no crank, no start issue, and here's what happened. It was about 34 degrees Fahrenheit outside, and when I turned the key, nothing happened. No crank, just a click. The interior lights also dimmed when I tried to start it. That usually means the battery doesn't have enough power to turn the engine over. So I grabbed the multimeter, set it to DC volts, and checked the battery. It was showing 10.5 volts, which is way too low. A healthy battery should be around 12.6 volts. I looked at the battery date and it was stamped in 2019, so over 5 years old. Cold weather plus an old battery, not a good combo. So I jump started it using a portable jump starter. Once the car was running, I tested the voltage again to check the alternator. It was putting out 15 volts, which is good. Most charging systems should read between 13.5 and 15 volts, so mine was exactly where it should be. So the problem wasn't the alternator, it was just a weak old battery. I replaced it with a new one and now the car fires right up. If you're dealing with a no crank, no start issue, especially in cold weather, check your battery first. It might just be time for a new one.